Hey, what's going on, everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com here, back in with another cryptocurrency video. Today we are live trading, and as you can see here, I have a few trades open. Two of them are in the green. One of them is currently in the red. The one that's most in the green is a trade on the cryptocurrency Chiliz. As you can see, I am up $86, but if you look at the percentage gain, I am up over 85% right now as we speak. So I will be taking the profits on that live right now. We're going to close this position. I was hoping to get up to 54 cents, and actually I should probably pull up the chart of Chiliz while we do this. But as you can see, it's pumped quite a bit now. I bought in near the lows and doubled down. My entry price average was 45 cents. We're now at 51 cents. So let's go ahead and close this position right here live. As you can see, that went through perfectly, and we'll go look at the actual P&L here and see the actual profit that I made. So looking at that position here, you can see that I paid a little over $1 in fee. The total ROI ended up being 78% return there on that trade, which is obviously huge, right? The crypto moved nowhere near 78% because I was on 7x leverage on that trade. The crypto basically moved a little over 10%, but I was able to make a 78% on that return with that 7x leverage. This is the power of crypto. I'm doing this all on the Phemex exchange, which is my new partner and sponsor on this channel. I've been doing amazing trades, making money with this exchange, and I all want you to go try it out. They don't even require you to KYC, so you don't have to provide a bunch of personal information. Link to Phemex, of course, in the description of this video. But as you can see here, $83.80 was the total profit on that trade. I've got those two other ones still open here, an Ethereum trade that is long, and I also have that XRP trade, which is currently a little bit in the red, but I'm not too worried about it. I think it will easily bounce with the rest of the market. So for that reason, I'm not worried. I'm going to keep holding that long. And also same thing for the actual Ethereum trade. This one I'll probably be closing it, around my target price, which is 4,384. I think most cryptos will continue to pump from here, but this was just my trade, my plan. So I need to take profits when they reach my target or around there, which is what I'm doing with you live right now. I also want to show you what made me purchase, this cryptocurrency Chiliz, for example, and what was my logic behind this, right? So basically, to give you a brief overview, when we had dropped back down, let me zoom out even a little bit more here. When we had dropped down into this area over here, I'll draw it on the chart. I knew that this was a pretty good buying opportunity because we are in a bull market, right? I really want everyone to keep that in mind. We are in a bull market, so you'll have an easier time probably making money longing than shorting. Of course, that's not always true, right? You could have caught this move to the downside, for example, but longing will typically be a little bit safer, and none of this is financial advice, of course. But basically, right, knowing the patterns that tend to play out in these cryptos, I knew that since we're in a bull market, this is a great cryptocurrency. Chiliz, we got a pretty big pullback here from this little peak at 60 cents that we made. I knew that this would be a good level. Also, you can see the huge amount of support that we were building and that we did not move below. So I actually put my stop loss a little bit below this level just in case we did get a breakdown, but we never ended up really dropping below this. So my position stayed strong, and for that reason, I was able to make that nice little profit. And that is exactly, the type of play that'll make you huge returns in this market, especially with that 7x leverage, right? Staying still pretty safe. I was able to make an over 70% return, something that is normally not that easy to do, right? And you can see these two trades here still doing fine, slowly increasing as we speak. Going to stay patient on those ones. You're not going to always have winning trades, but if the wins can outweigh the losses, which right now already, as we speak, that's currently the case with that massive, 70% plus ROI and $83 profit. That was a very, very successful trade, which should cover any losses on these two. If I even do end up having losses, which to be honest, I think these are both going to end up being trades that are nicely in the green. I should make around $10 to $20 on this Ethereum play, and then this XRP one, if I stay patient, I stand to make around $50 on that as well. So it's all a game of patience. And I'll keep you along this trading journey on Phemex. I want to go show you my P&L chart so you can get an idea of what I'm doing. Give me just 1 second. I have to say, Phemex really is a great exchange, and I'm not just saying that because I'm sponsored by them. I actually love using their exchange and have made money since I started trading on Phemex. As you can see here, over $125 have been fully locked in. You'll see this on this blue chart here. This is just in a matter of a few days. If you look at the blue line, which is the fully realized and secured profits, you can see sort of the increase that happened. That yellow line is, the fluctuation of the profit and loss over each of these days, right? And as you can see, I was still down on that XRP trade. But if we pay attention to the blue chart here, what an amazing increase, right? In terms of that profit and loss. I booked around $46 on one of those trades. And then now we got that really big win on that Chili's trade, which was an over $80 profit. So that was my biggest winning trade on Phemex right now, which you just saw me close live. And I'm looking forward to showing many more of you these trades, and hopefully it goes even better from here. Make sure to check out Phemex, link in the description. If you want to do these futures contracts trading, you can do that on Phemex. They have such a wide range of cryptos to choose from many of these trades. So really, I highly encourage you, give it a try. You won't be disappointed. Link in the description. Not financial advice, not a recommendation to buy or trade any of these cryptocurrencies, but I think you will enjoy it just as much as me. And keep in mind, be safe. None of this is financial advice. Thank you so much for watching. Link in the description, link to my Twitter, and of course, check out that link to Phemex in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time.